Honda and Qualcomm initiated this research project to study the potential to use dedicated short-range communication, or DSRC, safety systems to enhance pedestrian safety near roadways. The system consists of a DSRC platform in the vehicle and in the smartphone which the pedestrian will carry. The phone is initially in a standby mode when the pedestrian is indoors or stationary for a period of time. But when he starts moving and goes outdoors, the DSRC modules are fully activated. This functionality reduces the power consumption of the smartphone when using the DSRC modules. Next, when the pedestrian starts walking, the smartphone sends and receives DSRC messages to and from the Honda vehicle. In addition to the contents of the basic safety message, the vehicle can also receive information about the pedestrian, such as whether the pedestrian is texting, listening to music, or on a phone call. In this scenario, we'll show the warnings to both the driver and the pedestrian when the pedestrian is actually obstructed from the view of the driver by something like a parked vehicle. The key takeaway here is that even though the pedestrian is not directly visible to the driver, warnings are going to be generated in both the phone and in the vehicle. The pedestrian is initially behind two parked vehicles and starts walking toward an intersection. When the range and trajectory fall into the scope of the warning algorithm, a warning will be displayed in the heads-up display of the Honda vehicle, which in this case is an Acura TL. A similar warning will also be displayed on the smartphone carried by the pedestrian. Honda is committed to providing safety for everyone. That means crash protection not only for our own drivers and passengers, but also for the occupants of other vehicles, and injury mitigation for pedestrians. As we dream of a future where accidents simply will not happen, research and technology like this puts us one step closer to that future.